Hello everyone, welcome to portworldsolutions.com. So today in the last two videos we explained you how to install a US gun and a usual gun H6P box and how to install an embedded POE tablet using these two guns. So today we are going to explain for the European customers and European citizens how to install the embedded tablet with the help of this steel plate and using this Euro gun or Europe gun. So first of all, as we did in last videos, we installed this steel plate. Using this steel plate we can install this POE tablet on this Europe gun. So first we fix this steel plate on this Europe gun. So let's have a look. It's really easy, and so you just take two screw and a screwdriver. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. And so as you can see, within 1 minute we have just installed this steel bracket on this Euro gun, and now this is freely movable and without any problem, and there's no safety danger. So now we will fix this plate, this steel plate at the back of this POE tablet 8-inch, and we will use these two hangers to fix this plate on the POE tablet. And as you can see, it's really quick and really easy. So now we will use another smaller screw to install this. And here we go, it's almost fully installed, and using this Europe gun we have installed this POE tablet with the help of steel plate. So it's now, as you can see, it's fully movable and without any safety problems. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep in touch. Portworld.com.